making sure that their voice is heard. When there is an issue that's come up in law or bills or legislature and it impacts the hobby, it impacts the market and the industry, we must hear their voices so that leadership, so that colleagues can see that there is tremendous support amongst their constituents for efforts to keep this hobby alive and well. And when the auto industry or the aftermarket industry gets attacked or is hit with unintended consequences, I know that I have a group of legislators that we can bring together and get results. Once they see the cars, the 1967 Fastback Mustang, and they actually sit in the seat, they develop a passion really fast, about as fast as the car will go.